experiment. The experiment is about water level alarm system. For this, we need one 9-volt battery, one buzzer, some wires, two metallic plates, one empty plastic glass, and one glass of water. Here you can see I have connected one end of battery with the one metallic plate and the other end of battery with the other metallic plate through the buzzer. Now when these two copper plates touches together, the current flows and the alarm rings. Now let's start the experiment. Here I am adding some water in it. Now when the copper plates touch the water, the alarm rings. You can see the alarm is ringing. Now you can see the alarm is ringing. It means our water tank is full and we can switch off the pump. Thank you.